Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Business Hub UG, where we tell you and talk about business, doing business in Uganda, speak to the different people that are doing business in Uganda. As per you by now would know that Uganda, the backbone of Uganda is agriculture, and it's possible and very workable, and it's already working, but we're using agriculture as a way of business in this country, and it would be one of the things that you would want to invest in. So currently I am at the expo, the Harvest Money Expo 2020. Right there where we're going is where the exhibition is taking place there. So I'm from that side. So we're going to the exhibition area. Agriculture produce, I think you can see. Farmers Association, you can pick out if you need the contact. Here is Matooke promoting that. And a snake repellent. Yes, they do. I guess they do. Yes. This is, so these coffee treatments here. This one's poultry farming. Okay, here we are. Oil. You want to do that? They are called the fetty. Hello, how are you? What are your contact details? Trying to, for those that would want to reach out to you. Okay. Oh, so they're doing coil.
That's a nice camera.
Thank you. So these is where you can get them. You can see the contact. So if you want things regarding coils, so you can reach out and learn more. Okay. These ones are doing hay. This is the White Horn Heritage Ranch, training us about hay. Showcasing the hay. We have the banana boosters here. Yes. So here we are boosting the bananas to be able to get this size of banana. So these are the suckers. So let's go here and have a snip of the banana. Hello, how are you?
I'm fine.
I am here teaching.
I'm so happy to see you.
Business Hub UG is so
Tell me.
I have people telling them about business and what they can do. So I'm seeing that you're doing Matooke and then you're boosting. Is that like a booster?
Yeah, I think these are the right people I can ask them.
Oh, here.
Yeah.
Oh, the banana booster right here. Yes, ma'am. I'm okay. How are you?
Fine. We have fertilizers.
Yes.
The organically made. We have banana boosters. We have pesticides.
Okay.
And we have these types of Matooke. We have musakala, nachitembe, chibuzi, ngwabuzito, and chisanza.
Okay.
We have a variety.
So what I'm seeing here, for someone to be able to get such a big, huge bunch of Matooke to improve their breed, what are they supposed to do?
For us, these are our local banana suckers.
Yes.
But if you want to get this, you can use our fertilizers, the boosters, and the pesticides.
They're here.
Yes.
So you're called the
Konyo Chengeza mixed form.
Mkonyo.
Yes.
Chengeza. Where's your business card? Would like my viewers to see and contact you for further information about this Okay? Yes. Please reach out for further information. Those are the contacts. Feel free if you want that bunch. I'm not able to give you all the content right now, so but let me give you a snip. That's it. I hope you can see the contact. So here, mushroom growing, guys. Zach Farm. Chevale base nenyaba. Kali. So from Business Hub UG and
Yes, we know how to.
so guys, I'm projecting for you mushroom. So Sebo. Saba kutuyitiramuko katonotono ku bino ku mushrooms business gy'okola. Yes, Sebo.
Kwaniriza ku Looks Good Farm.
Yes, sir.
Tulingira mu mushroom production. Growing. Kikwatagana n'obutiko tusangibwa kira official. Kiwe kyetaagisa tuba tukyena kino kyetuyita ennimiro mushroom garden. Obutiko bwaffe batubulibira
Muno.
eno ye garden.
Hey. No garden anyway, even in a sitting room okola.
Yes.
Okay.
Kati ennimiro mwe tujja buno obutiko buli fresh.
Buno. Okay.
Banana. Kano kebuli kitundu.
Ate buno.
Buno bukalu. Tukaza buno obubisi. Naye buvaalinga kati mu quantity eno 550 grams, 25. Kati buno ye powder. Mushroom powder tusobola okukolanga soup. Abagala mushroom soup. Okuvaamu oyo. Then tubeera ne buki. Mushroom porridge.
Oh, mushroom porridge. Okay. Mushroom porridge mutunda mte?
Kasambu.
Pasam. Ate buno.
25 grams, 4,000. 50 grams, 8,000.
Then the garden you said was?
4,000.
4,000. Akwetaaze Sebo tukujjawa.
Nsangibwa Kiranyabo.
Do you have a business card?
Yes.
Thank you. My viewers, I got you. Here we go. You can reach out and learn more because I'm not able to record everything right now, but we will host them on the show. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. So, any other things? What do we have here?